Hey guys, RoonPicker here for another lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is a Latrine Duty by Fast Charlie, and he made his out of an old Sargent, and it looks like a very weathered old Sargent. I think this might have been a brass one, but it kind of fits the theme of Latrine Duty because it kind of looks a little bit like, well, poop. So here is the front of the lock. You can see it has an old Sargent logo on it, and then on the side here, he engraved Fast Charlie and then Latrine Duty. We got the mummified key here. So let's go ahead and get this into the vise and see if we can get this open today. Go. I think we're going to use 50 thousandths because this is a pretty big keyway. And we'll use our standard hook in 25 thousandths, and we'll bring out the SS Dev in case we need to use it. Excuse me. And we'll pick this, our traditional counterclockwise. Let's see if we can get this open today. Click on 1, click on 2, clicks on 3. Big movement on 4, nothing 5 or 6. Back to 1. Nothing. Yeah, click on 2. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 6. I think we need to bring up the SS Dev. Now, good thing we brought it out. Come on, what pin is pin 2? I think. Let me overset that, or was that proper? I think we overset that. Set for sure. Okay, let's reset. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there we go. Interesting, I'm getting different feedback than when I first picked. Oh, there we go, I got the open. When I first started this, just a second ago, my first round before I overset, definitely different feedback than this time. Maybe I overset something and it was giving me different feedback, but we got the open. So let's go ahead and get this and see what we got inside. Let's take this screw off the back. And we'll take a look at this key. Very good bitting. I like this actually. You can see we got that high in the back and we got the variation there. Interesting enough, we were able to get a majority of that with our standard hook. I think I only had to do maybe 1 or 2 pins with the SS Dev. Key does work, by the way. I just used it. Oh, I just noticed on the back here, good thing we have them. It says shim is needed with proper follower. So good thing we have some shims, because I didn't see that till just now. Follower. Ooh. Man, I noticed I've been getting a lot more pin-in-pins. That seems to be, I think I mentioned this in a different video as well, but that seems to be the way that people are going. And all the chambers are threaded except for, so 1's threaded, 2 is counter milled, nothing on 3, 4, 5, and 6 are threaded. Very interesting. A lot of modifications done. We got that pin and pin on key pin 4, spool serrated tops on 1, 3, 5, and 6. Let's see what we got for driver pins real quick. Standard for 1. Here's our spring. Got a very nice looking deep variation spool top. Got, looks like a mushroom pin on 3. Let's go from the back here now. Ooh, we got a crazy looking pin and pin. Man, I'm not gonna lie, looking at these pins now, I'm pretty thankful we got this open because these are some crazy looking pins. There we go. Okay. And anything done to this? So nothing. Was there something? Can't tell. Maybe. Feels like maybe 5 and 6 have threading on the Bible, but I can't really tell or see it. So let's go ahead and get this camera over here, and I'm going to show you guys these crazy looking pins. So look at these pins. We got a pin and pin right here. You can see that. We got a pin and pin right here. And then we got those serrated spool tops. If I can focus, we got a lot of light here. Maybe, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. See the variation spool tops. And we got those mushroom pins on 3 and 4. And then you can see the core here. We got the threaded, and the chamber 2 is counter milled. And we got the Bible here. Like I said, I can't really, sorry, you guys can see that. Can't really, come on, there we go. I'm having issues. Can't really see the threading there, but I could feel something with my pick when I was doing it. So this is Latrine Duty by Fast Charlie. Very fun challenge lock, a lot of action. Hopefully you guys like this content. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.